Hey guys, this is Arkadeep Khashnobish. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope everybody is doing well and staying safe. Today I'm back again on YouTube with a new video, and this video is gonna be a continuation video of the series of videos of our Thailand and Malaysia tour, which I have been doing since the past few days. So today is the day 4, and this is the part 4 of our Thailand and Malaysia tour. And today we are actually going to Krabi from Phuket. Like, our Phuket tour is over. So you all keep watching this video, and if you really enjoy watching this video, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. Share this video with your friends and family and hit the thumbs button. It would really mean a lot to me and would also help me out. And you can also press the bell icon for getting notified whenever I post a new video on YouTube. So it's currently 8:30 AM right now. I woke up long time back. I was busy with some packing, and now I am going to have my breakfast. Then I'll come and get ready. And our Phuket tour is over. Like, our Phuket tour was for 4 days and 3 nights. Today we are going to Krabi. Before that we'll do some sightseeing of Phuket, Old Town, then Big Buddha, and there are other places where we'll go and visit, and then we'll go to Krabi. So you all keep watching this video. I'll get back to you guys after some time. Let me go and have my food. I'm very hungry. Hey guys, it's currently 10:04 AM right now, and we all had our breakfast. I'm also all ready. Now we will go out. We'll check out from the hotel and then go for some sightseeing, and then we'll head towards Krabi Island. So you all keep watching the video. I'll get back to you guys after some time. Hey guys, it's currently 11:24 AM right now, and we have come for one sightseeing. The name of this place is Karon View Point. So there is Karon Beach. There's a sea beach here nearby, and there is a viewpoint of the whole Karon Beach, and we'll stand here from the viewpoint and see how the view looks. So you all keep watching the video. I'm showing you all everything. Guys, it's currently 12 PM right now, and we just visited a monastery here. It was really very beautiful, and we were supposed to go and visit the Big Buddha, but I am clicking the clip from here itself because it's visible very clearly. I'm trying to click it as clearly as possible. It's very far, but I'm zooming it and clicking because we might not be able to go there because it's raining there. So our driver asked us not to go there. So now next I think we will go for ziplining or some other place. I don't know exactly. You all keep watching. I'll get back to you guys after some time. Guys, it's currently 12:56 PM right now, and now we all are going for ziplining. But we are very excited, but we won't be allowed to carry our cameras with us, so I don't think I'll be able to click anything, any videos or clips. But you all keep watching. I'll still try. Hi guys, so we are going for ziplining, and we all are very excited.
Very scared.
I'm not scared, I'm actually excited. So let's go. I'll get back to you guys after some.
this one. Yeah, let's go. Hey! Sit down.
Boss.
Okay, sit down.
I push him. This is long, no?
No.
Guys, it's currently 1:53 p.m. right now, and we have done zip lining, and it was so fun. It was such a thrilling experience, and I really loved it. I have also shared some clips. Now we are heading to some cashew factory. I don't know. You all keep watching. I'll get back to you guys after some time. It's currently 3:26 p.m. right now, and we have come to a cashew factory. We had a lunch before coming here. Today's lunch was really tasty. I really loved the food very much. So there was a slight change of plan. I mean, we had a lunch first. Now we have come to the cashew factory. So let's get inside and see what's there. I'm also showing you all everything. Keep watching. Enjoying some cool espresso here at the petrol pump. Guys, it's currently 9:17 p.m. right now and we have reached the hotel already. The name of this hotel is Ava Sea Resort and it's very beautiful and we all are very hungry, so now we'll go and have something for our dinner. So you all keep watching. I'm also taking you along with me. Hey guys, it's currently 12 a.m. right now. It's quite late at night and I will be ending the vlog now. We had a dinner long time back and I was just tired, so I was taking rest, freshening up. Now it's time for me to end the vlog because it's been already a long day and I don't want to extend this vlog anymore. So I will meet you guys in the part 5. But before ending the vlog, let me tell you briefly about today. Today was really amazing. I really experienced something which I loved very much, which was in a bucket list, which was zipline. Ziplining was so fun. I really had a lot of fun, and also the sightseeing and everything. And Krabi is also very beautiful. We will explore the islands tomorrow. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. If you really enjoyed watching this video, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. Share this video with your friends and family and hit the thumbs button. It would really mean a lot to me and would also help me out. And you can also press the bell icon for getting notified whenever I post a new video on YouTube. So that's all. Stay safe, take care, and bye bye. Part 5 of our Thailand and Malaysia tour is coming very soon.